Hey guys, Xbox here, and I'm just gonna try and catch you guys up on my slash here. So, my Axial Wraith. So my Axial Wraith, if you guys have seen, I was driving around doing the whole FPV, thing out here in the woods and whatnot. And what happened is this. Well, it didn't actually break. What happened is, if you guys can see, the little sleeve that goes in here and has the the screw that goes down basically just fell out. I didn't know it, and so I went to the hobby shop trying to look for a new, little sleeve or whatever you call it, and then the nut that drives down so that it would stay still. They didn't have it, so I looked online on eBay, and they did have these aluminum ones here by Hot Racing. These aluminum ones, and they come with all the hardware. If you guys can see that, those little brass little tubes here. So I mean, these were like 30 bucks, and I'm like, oh geez, do I really need it for my Wraith? Probably not, but I'd rather upgrade the front right here. But yeah, so this is what I had to go ahead and buy, was these right here. So again, you guys can check it out. And yeah, so in my video here, I'm going to go ahead and put it together. You guys can see my dirty old slash back there. You guys can see it in my other video where I basically blew the whole bearing and everything. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade these and have you guys watch, and here we go. Alright, so here we go, guys. I'm probably fast forward this, so you guys gotta watch this. Like, go ahead and get these tires off here. There we go. Alright. Oh, so I pull those tires off. And I'm going to go ahead and do this opposite side here first, here, really quick. A lot of items over here, guys. And pop this one off here. I'll pop all these items off here. And, oh, got one more underneath. I'm going to take this off. Alright, so there we go. That is the old one there. Oh.
Civic.